Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you monthly horoscope for 2020. This particular monthly forecast has no relevance with Western astrology or sun prediction because my whole predictions are based on your moon sign. My whole predictions are based on Vedic Indian astrology. On today's video, here are the reminder of what I'll be discussing on your monthly horoscope, the monthly forecast. I'll be talking about your health. I'll be talking about your education. I'll be discussing about your romantic life, your relationship life. I'll be informing you regarding your career, job or profession, as well as your monthly conclusion. To skip to a particular part of this video, I have placed timestamps for each of these subjects in this video description below. So here are the monthly forecast for all of you, and please don't forget afterward to like this video, subscribe and click that bell to get the notification of your latest weekly, monthly, yearly horoscope plus your major 4 transit planetary horoscopes. Here are my channels. To have the full version of this video, which include the transit, all the transits, your tasks, your precautions, the chanting for this month, please do visit our website prakashastrologer.com. Capricorn monthly conclusion, July. In this coming month, July 2020, refrain from being lazy, refrain from being ill. Sudden calamities and disappointments will be there. Disfavor may come from those in authority, decision-making power. Yes, your spouse can have ill health. There may be tendency to associate with low and wicked people. Refrain from that. You may have a living conflict in your life. The companionship may cause you trouble. Generally, you have ill health and mental anguish. Your expenditure will prove to be wasteful. Business and travel are source of annoyances or sometimes loss. You may suffer a decline in your professional status. Your money may be lost. So be aware of that. Be careful of that. You may source of trouble and you may undergo a lot of mental suffering. Wealth will be gained without any effort. Sometimes it can happen. Your family life will be supportive toward you. With your hard work, you can achieve name, fame, fulfill your desire. And there would be a success in litigation and gaining your business. And some family will be supportive to you. And as this particular month, with your hard work, you can raise your status. But look after your personal and family relationship and professional relationship. With your hard work, you can acquire a land, vehicle, car. If you act with tact, you can rescue yourself from any dire situation. Desire will get fulfilled. And there will, through your effort, die-hard efforts, very thorough efforts, you can achieve your success. If under any litigation, you will be successful. Enemies will be overcome, health will be good, wealth will be gained, there is access to comfort and vehicle. A professional rise is likely, there is excessive expenditure, but there will be some strife with your friends and journey will be proved to be, say that, sometime fruitless. So beware of that one. So journey you only go if you have no other way. But when you're dealing with higher authorities, you got to be extra careful. In this coming month, July 2020, your progress will be there with your own effort. And you'll be respected, victorious, enhance your own name with your own die-hard efforts. But look after your relationship. Don't do anything which you can't justify. Refrain from any kind of living conflict in your relationship. And you'll get the support. You will perform good deeds, benefit from decision maker, attaining any materialistic pleasure. Keep yourself in a good company. All types of work and suffer from some sort of issues, but you can be a part of a problem, not a part of you have to be part of a solution, not a part of a problem. You may sometimes try not to be part of a problem, try to be part of a solution. Refrain from too much stubborn attitude, too much short-temperedness, and be focused what you want to do. And you spend a lot of time, energy, money here and there, but with the help of task precaution chanting, you must sort out yourself. You must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Rahu, Moon. These 4 planets you have to sort it out. Sun, Mercury, Rahu. And with the help of task precaution chanting, you must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Rahu and Moon, which will prevent you from any kind of professional losses, financial losses, lack of flow of income, and peace of mind issues and health. With the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out these planets for your best. You can have this access to this particular in the full monthly report, which you can go to achieve from the website. Go and visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, and get the full monthly horoscope monthly report and apply the information where you need to be and have a very thorough monthly forecast for the month of July. Capricorn, task of the month: to donate whole meal atta, whole moong dal, rice to temple and the langar every Sunday, whole month. Do keep 2 or 6 solid silver balls. Mix milk and yogurt and use it in a shower gel. Do wear a saffron tilak on your forehead. Flow 6 kg gourd, 6 kg whole moong in the fast flowing river. Capricorn, precaution of the month: do watch your word of speech, behavior, investment, financial decision choices. Capricorn, chanting of the month: Aum Eng Harim Sharim Kalim Hasso Jagat Prasutaya Name. Aum Eng Harim Sharim Kalim Hasso Jagat Prasutaya Name. More you do it, more you achieve it. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign monthly horoscope report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.